Hello, my name is Momar Reed of Reed Law in Culver City, California. And today I'm here to speak to you regarding the difference between small claims cases and limited and unlimited cases. The first way a small claims case is different than a limited or an unlimited case is the anticipated value is supposed to be less than $10,000. Or for personal injury or bodily injury claims, the anticipated value of your case is $7,500 or less. That's the first way that small claims cases are different than limited and unlimited cases. The second way that is different is that you cannot have a lawyer represent you in a small claims case. It's essentially both of the parties in front of a judge, and that's how you settle your claim. And lawyers typically aren't allowed to be involved. They can help you with where you're filing your case. They can help you with the paperwork, etc. However, a lawyer cannot be present to represent you at a small claims hearing. The third way that they're different is that typically small claims cases are tried and or they are decided more quickly than a limited or an unlimited case. And they're typically set for trial within 3 months of filing, versus limited and unlimited cases right now in Los Angeles County typically have a trial date that's more than a year out from the date of filing. And primarily at this moment, that's due to budget cuts. Now, the fourth, I wouldn't call it difference, and the fourth point I want to address is the statute of limitations in connections with small claims court. There is no difference in the statute of limitations for small claims cases versus limited and unlimited jurisdiction cases. For instance, if you have a breach of contract claim, if it's an oral claim, your statute of limitations in small claims is going to be exactly the same as it is in limited or unlimited jurisdiction. And depending on the type of claim you have, I would advise you to seek out an attorney to figure out what the statute of limitations on your particular claim is, because depending on what you are suing for or being sued for, the statute of limitations can vary from 6 months if you're suing a government entity where you have to file a claim, a year if it's a wrongful death suit, 2 years for an oral contract or for most personal injury cases, or 4 years for a written contract. However, that can vary based upon your particular circumstance, and that's why I would advise you to speak to an attorney regarding your statute of limitations. The fifth thing that's different, or the fifth point I want to address, is the lower filing fees for small claims matters. In limited and or unlimited cases in Los Angeles County, typically your filing fee is going to be anywhere from $400 to $500, depending on which jurisdiction you're filing in. Small claims cases, however, are a lower threshold where typically you're not going to spend more than $100 for filing your claim, depending on your anticipated value or the anticipated value of your case. And that's essentially what I wanted to inform you about today. My name is Momar Reed of Reed Law in Culver City, and I specialize in personal injury and medical malpractice litigation.